Okay, so our first DIY, it looks like they made this using some clay here. So this might be like a two-part video and we didn't get to see the first portion. Now this particular creator loves to use clay in the projects. You can see some of their other creations in the background there. And it looks like some type of donut or like a bundt cake. Oh, okay, so that's like a decor piece. Wow, that is really uniquely shaped. I was thinking maybe she was making like some type of lighting, like a ceiling light or something. But it's like a nice little uniquely shaped decor piece. Very interesting. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so it looks like this project also involves some clay. This is from that same creator. So she's making some type of circles here. Cutting them in half. Now this project looks like she might be creating some type of vase. Oh wow! Oh, that is beautiful. It kind of looks like those origami dresses. I don't know if you guys have seen those, but that's what it reminds me of. This looks like it would be pretty hard to recreate, especially if you don't know how to work with clay. Wow, that looks like it belongs in like some type of museum. That is beautiful. Definitely a statement piece. Wow. Very cool. All right, so we have a coffee table here. This looks like a very short coffee table that's going to be made, or is that just me? I'd say that this is like more of a side table. It's a little too small to be a coffee table. Yeah, definitely a side table. That's cute though. I like the marble top she did there. What can you do with paper mache part 2? So it looks like she's doing some type of art piece here on canvas. Now what she's creating here kind of reminds me of like those craters, you know, that are on the moon. It just reminds me of a project that I worked on when I was a little kid. We had to create like our own craters on the moon or whatever. This is cool though, very interesting piece. Okay, so we have a tire being used for the next DIY. So I'm guessing she's probably making some type of ottoman here. That's usually what I see when I see the tires being used. So she has some placemats that she used there. Oh wow, more placemats and some rope. Like you would definitely need a lot of rope for this one. And then of course she adds some legs and you got a nice little ottoman. I like this part that you can like take off and, you know, store stuff in. That's really cool. I've never seen that with this kind of ottoman being done before, so I like that she did that. So I'm gonna guess that this is some more artwork being done. Or maybe not. So we got some little wooden, oh, popsicle sticks. So we got popsicle sticks. Actually, this still could be artwork, I would say. Or a really cool placemat. Ooh, look at that bronze color. That is gorgeous. Oh, she made like a table tray. That's a pretty cool idea. Alright, so we have some wooden pieces here. Some glue. Ooh, here comes the gold. Everything is better with gold. Especially when it comes to home decor. Ooh, very cute. A nice little decorative statement piece. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.